SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a renowned architectural design firm based in Dharamshala. With a team of highly skilled and experienced architectural designers, SCON Design has established a strong reputation for its innovative and creative designs. As architectural designers, SCON Design takes pride in their ability to create unique and functional spaces that meet the specific requirements of their clients. By combining their technical expertise with a deep understanding of aesthetics and functionality, the designers at SCON Design are able to deliver designs that not only look visually stunning but also provide practical solutions for the end users. One of the key strengths of SCON Design is their ability to adapt to different design styles and preferences. Whether it's a contemporary, traditional, or fusion design, the team at SCON Design can seamlessly incorporate the desired elements into their designs. They are also known for their attention to detail and their ability to create harmonious spaces that are aesthetically pleasing. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is committed to delivering projects on time and within budget. They take a collaborative approach to design, working closely with their clients to understand their vision and requirements. By involving the clients in the design process, SCON Design ensures that the final outcome is a reflection of their clients' aspirations and needs. In conclusion, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading architectural design firm in Dharamshala, known for its innovative and creative designs. With their team of talented architectural designers, they are able to create unique and functional spaces that meet the specific requirements of their clients. Their ability to adapt to different design styles, attention to detail, and commitment to delivering projects on time and within budget make them an ideal choice for any architectural design project. Architectural Designers Indharamshala is a renowned architectural design firm based in India. With a team of highly skilled and experienced designers, they offer top-notch architectural solutions to clients across the country. Their expertise lies in creating innovative and sustainable designs that blend seamlessly with the surrounding environment. One of the key strengths of architectural designers Indharamshala is their ability to understand the unique needs and requirements of each project. Whether it is a residential complex, commercial building, or public infrastructure, they approach every project with utmost dedication and professionalism. They believe that good design should not only be aesthetically pleasing but also functional and practical. Architectural Designers Indharamshala has successfully completed numerous projects that have received accolades for their exceptional design and craftsmanship. Their portfolio includes a wide range of projects, including residential homes, office buildings, hotels, hospitals, and educational institutions. They are known for their attention